Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ben with Hagen Customs. I'm just gonna do a quick video. CSI sent me one of their little mini pneumatic hand polishers. And I tried this the other day and I'm super impressed with it. Especially if you're new to buffing, it's not like it's a huge heavyweight buffer. It just works great. So I'm gonna do a little demo on this tank here with this and kind of show you how it works. If you want to try the products, go to CSIChine.com and use code Hagen20. That's Hagen 20, and you'll get 20% off of whatever you order. All right, so I've sanded this tank. It's ready for polishing. So I'm going to be using the CSI. It's one step. You can use this for compound buffing and polishing. And they have a one-step pad. It's flippable with a 3M adapter. They don't have those yet for these little hand buffers, so we have a compound pad and a polish pad. So we'll put our air up to it. It's adjustable. And you can see how fast that works. And again, I'm notorious for over buffing stuff, so I'll put a little bit more on there. And then we'll put our little polishing pad on here. A little bit more of this. I mean, looks awesome. So this is just super easy to use. Especially if you're new and you're worried about sanding through edges and stuff like that. This has power, but it's not like 4,000 RPM capability of that other buffer. So you can find this on their website, CSIChine.com. Pneumatic. Awesome. The other thing I was just thinking of is whenever you get a bottle of this, if it's brand new, shake it up a lot. You know, sometimes stuff settles. It's just like paint. Always mix it up, shake it up before every use. You know, it's going to cut a lot better for you. So, yeah, CSIChine.com. Use code Hagen20, Hagen 20, and you get 20% off whatever you buy off the website. Thanks. Bye.